Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to add emojis in your folder and files name. Okay, let's see. First, I am going to create the new folder and I want to rename that folder name with emojis. Now press Windows key and dot at a time, then emojis are appeared, then selected your favorite emojis like this. If you like this video, then subscribe our channel. Same mechanism for files. First create a text file, then press Windows key dot at a time. Emojis are appear, then selected your favorite emojis. In this way, we can easily insert any images to our folder and file name. Thank you.